This is the best hardshell laptop case, sleeve waterproof, shockproof, shoulder bag, protective carrying case compatible for 13.3 inches or 14.2 MacBook Pro, 13.3 MacBook Pro. This is shock absorption interior. Look at this. It's so sturdy. There's a strap right there. This is from Alfame. Alfame, you making it good quality laptop case. I'm loving this. This is a hard shell case made of premium quad layer materials. Waterproof? What? Scratch resistant, leather crash proof. That's the shoulder pads. Look at this. You can't beat this quality. I'll put the link on the description down below where you can get this at. Look at that. So many places you can put your pins. You could put anything on it. Okay, luggage strap is in it. This sounds allows the laptop bag, hands on the luggage. It's a great choice for daily use. If you're a businessman, you like to travel, you're a college student, this is perfect gift for an anniversary, graduation, any kinds of people got out in jail. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below. Alfame, you made a good quality hard case shock proof case for laptop. Let's go.